Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Okay, I hope all are fine. Okay, now in our last class, we have discussed about angles, right? In our last section, we have discussed about angles. What is an angle? What are the parts of angle? That all we have discussed. So we have the continuation of that chapter, like today we are going to discuss about what are the types of angles. Okay, base of angle is already you learned. I hope all you done S1 exercise as a homework. Those who are in staying back at home, all you write the notes that are given to you. And today we are going to discuss about types of angle. What are the types of angle according to their measurements? But according to angle, we can measure angles, right? What was the device used to measure angle? You remember? Yes, that is protractor. Protractor is the instrument that is used to measure an angle, right? Okay, according to this measurement, we can categorize angles. We have four different types of angles, like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. Okay, now we'll have a look at these figures and we can study what are the different types of angle. So have a look at this figure. Okay. So in figure, look at this figure. A baseline is perpendicular to another line. A line is perpendicular to the baseline makes an angle of 90 degree, right? This angle creates an angle of 90 degree, which is a line is perpendicular to the baseline creates angle of 90 degree. The angle which is 90 degree is called as right angle. I repeat, the angle having measurement 90 degree is called as right angles. And look at this figure. In this given figure, as in right angle, you can see that the angle created here is less than that of a right angle, right? Right angle as compared to right angle, the angle created here is less than that of right angle. So the angle which is less than right angle, less than 90 degree, is called acute angle. The smaller angles, that is less than 90 degree, is called acute angle. And in given figure, it's clear that this angle created here is greater than 90 degree or greater than right angle. So we can conclude that the angle which is greater than 90 degree or the angle which is greater than a right angle is called obtuse angle. I repeat, the angle which is 90 degree is called right angle. The angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle, and the angle greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. The last type of angle that we are going to study is a straight angle. In the given figure, two line segments joined at a point in a straight line. Two line segments joined at a point in a straight line creates an angle of 180 degree. An angle of 180 degree. Always remember the point. This angle is always 180 degree is called a straight angle. So we have learned about four types of angles. I conclude the angle which is perpendicular to baseline creates angle of 90 degree, which is called right angle. The angle less than 90 degree is called acute angle. The angle greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle, and the angle which have a measurement 180 degree is called a straight angle. So look at this figure. What is this? This is an instrument, right? For what? For measuring the angles. This is called protractor. Protractor is an instrument used to measure angles. Okay, it have an inner angle and outer angles. In inner side, it measures 0 to 180 in an anti-clockwise direction. Okay, and outer side it measures 0 to 180 degree in clockwise direction. So protractor is the instrument used to measure the angles. So the perpendicular angle will be 90 degree. You can see that the perpendicular lines, the perpendicular angle is marked as 90 degree. And what is the half? When we cut that 90 degree part into two equal half, then one half must be 45 degree. Okay, when we cut that 90 degree into 90 degree angle into two equal half, one half must be 45 degree. Okay, look at the next portion. If we cut that into three equal halves, we cut here into two equal half, there into three equal half, creates one part 30 degree. 30 30 30, three equal halves of 90 are 30 30 30. Okay, I repeat what I said, that in protractor the perpendicular angle is 90 degree. The red lines, the red angle shown here is clearly it's 90 degree. This 90 degree angle is called a right angle. Okay, and when we cut that right angle part 90 degree into two equal halves, if we cut that 90 degree angle into two equal halves, the one part must be 45 degree. 90 is divided into two equal halves. What is the half of 90 degree? Yes, 45 degree. So 90 degree is divided into two equal half of 45 degrees. In this figure, what is the angle measured? Starting from 0, 10, 20 and 30. So the inner angle measures here is 30 degree angle. Okay. Okay, in the offline class we did this S3 part from the class, and those who are not were in the class, those who are absent in the class, just do S3 in your workbook and lesson 3 on your content book as a homework, as a work. Just complete S3 and lesson 3. Okay, and all of you should write, draw the angles, the different types of angle, and name that angles, and write down what is right angle, what is acute angle, what is straight angle, what is obtuse angle into your notebook. So I hope all of you understand what we have studied in this section. We have studied different types of angles, right? So all you do, your S2, S3 and L1, L2, L1 and L2 in your notebook. Complete that works. Okay, thank you. We can meet in our next class. If you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay, thank you.